temperature, and humidity directly affect how well half-used caulk tubes are preserved. High humidity speeds curing for water-based or latex caulks and can cause them to skin over inside the tube, while low humidity slows curing and can extend usable life but may dry exposed tips faster. Store half-used tubes in a cool, dry, temperature-stable location away from direct sunlight to slow chemical reactions that cause thickening and skin formation. Before storing, wipe the nozzle clean and push a small piece of plastic film or aluminum foil into the tip to form a barrier against air. Then replace the cap tightly and wrap the threaded end with tape for an airtight seal. For silicone and polyurethane caulks that cure by reacting with moisture, avoid very humid storage areas because external moisture can start cross-linking at the tip. Instead, keep them in moderate humidity below 60% relative humidity if possible. For acrylic and latex caulks that are water-based, freezing will break emulsions and ruin the tube, so keep storage above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and ideally between 45 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Label the tube with the date it was first opened and use the oldest open tubes first, and when reopening a tube, cut only as much nozzle as needed to limit fresh air exposure. Common mistakes are leaving the nozzle uncapped, which lets air and moisture enter and causes rapid skinning. Always insert a tight-fitting plug or push the remaining caulk back into the tube and reseal with a cap or tape. Another issue is storing tubes in hot locations like attics or garages where higher temperatures accelerate thickening and chemical breakdown. Move tubes to a shaded, temperature-stable closet or basement shelf. A third problem is assuming all caulks behave the same, so people may refrigerate water-based products or leave solvent-based products near heat sources. Check the product type and follow the temperature guidance above, because silicone and solvent-based materials tolerate different conditions than latex. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips on storage, product selection, and job techniques.